They trying to they trying to do anything they can to get your attention. It's like they're dancing around just saying exactly what it is that they want. You know, oh my God. Like if somebody wanted to ask you to be their Valentine or want to, you know, take you out for Valentine's, this person's like dancing around, you know, you got any plans on, you know, you got any, you got any big plans coming up for the weekend? Instead of saying, do you have plans for Valentine's? They're going to say the weekend. Like kind of make it kind of vague, like, you know, just to see what you're going to say before, you know, kind of asking if they could take you out. They want to see if you got options first. Okay.